Hello, in today's video I'm gonna unbox the SONOS Era 100. As you can see, there is this speaker, SONOS Era 100, and let's unbox it. So as we can see on the back, we have this easy to remove seal that you just need to pull. Then it opens really nicely here. Then we first have this Let's Get Started booklet with some setup guides, of course, and what else? Product information, and that's it. Now another part is, of course, under this tray, we have the speaker. It is quite heavy, indeed, and let's get it out of here. As we can see, this is what the speaker looks like. I got it in black. It also comes in white color. On top of it, we have this like chat symbol, which I think is the Sonos voice control. Then we have the plus and minus for adjusting the volume, back, forward, and play pause. So that's what we have right here. There are some microphones also for the voice control, and this is the whole speaker. On the back of it, we have the Bluetooth connection button, the microphone on off physical switch, and a USB-C cable for USB-C connection. You can also get an adapter from USB-C to mini jack in order to connect it to a turntable, let's say. Then on the back of it, we have the power port and also a screw, so we can screw it on a tripod, for example. Now, underneath in the box, we can find under the tray, there is the power cord, of course. So this is what it looks like. Let's get it open. As you can see, it is a 90-degree angle cord, so it fits nicely in the speaker on the bottom of it. As you can see, it sits flat here, and yeah, we can plug it in and it should begin to work. Of course, it works with Apple AirPlay. It is made for iPhone, so it has all the functionality of made for iPhone devices. Works well with AirPlay, and of course with Bluetooth, with Wi-Fi as well, and with basically everything you may possibly need. It is currently on. We can see the green diode blinking, and this is the speaker on the inside. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.